Thank you. Now we are driving on Canada's highway. Let's say you were Canada, one downtown back home, when you're doing, and I think so a business center. Maybe. Into Saubasha, who stores and offices and so on. Into say we are on our way to our second hotel. Yes. Let's go. Let's go. We are here. We are here. So this is their reception place. Yes, it's so beautiful, calm, neat, and the hospitality there is amazing. Look at the hotel. Look. Oh, beautiful chairs. I was so happy when I entered. Look at the reception, the top, the designs, the colors that they combined. Oh, this is mini shop they have over there. Look at that. The fireplace, elevator. You see what I'm talking about? Look inside the elevator. Okay, so now we are in the room. Yeah, this is the bathroom. The bathroom was also neat. You can see it yourself. Neat, beautiful. Oh, that's nice. You feel at home. You really feel at home as soon as you enter the hotel. Look at that. Love it. Yeah, guys, we are in our new hotel. Higher closet room. That's the bath. Oh, look at the bathroom. As usual, neat and nice. Hotels. Yeah, everything. It's dead. No. Sink in the mirror na balcony. So, yep. That's nice. And the back, and just look at the design. Yeah. Yeah, it's in panel and sunny. That's the bed. Yeah. And then the coffee on the machine. And a breakfast for 2 days free voucher. And then decks and so has yay, love it. And I has also nice view because airport the view there so beautiful. You can see far away many chair being so and chair is so comfy. The hotel has a minibus, so we took that one to the airport, then we transfer to a taxi to go to the aquarium. Yeah, because we wanted to use the airplane, but it started raining, so I'm in a taxi. You know what? Let's take a taxi.
Glorious Ahombrasia kitchen na esias medjumedi we say ebremu abusia obetimi akọ on YouTube page Glorious Ahombrasia kitchen obetimi asho spellings ni ye na ade a omo ye and same onwa enuane ahodo ene local dishes, foreign dishes, healthy cooking ena oye enuane a wonti bidin da ena omo noa e page ni so make say uye bema uye student uye school mu anasa onya nware ye eja esujani unyo bebe no aduane ama obetimi akọ YouTube channel no so no ahwese no se no anuane ahodo na so wahwe bi na wasua na wano ane kama na numbers na go screen so betumi afa na emom no menfre test no se help bi na ohia test no be reply ma kama na aduane kro pese onu ano Gloria etimi aboa amo ano ane kama na yenkoi na
Yeah, and then you have downtown Canada, Toronto. You know, downtown, the buildings, no, yeah, attention. And our long tower, tower, no, elevator. Elevator never, you can see, but maybe I can see, maybe you can see. The elevator, no better for tower also. Go inside for the elevator to take you there. I hire very nice. I said micro Manhattan downtown, down at it's like it's just like said we were here I'm home. Yeah. It's a yeah, your Rogers Center and also and when it's here. And what then what games? Yeah, me tennis to say, and I mentioned it as a peppy of the game. True, we see. Cameraman, Mammy Joe. If we nice, to a bubble gamer, it will be very beautiful. I have a very, very interesting place. We have a lot of people here. You people be free because it's a warm shot. You buy it. And yes, I got it's a warm 6 or 7 a nice place to be. And run out the energy, and run out the energy. Yeah, run. See a call. Niagara Falls, Ontario, yes, Ontario. Yeah, it was so fun night. They're nice, but you know, still now, no. Yes, and yeah, man, many of you are interested. I'll give it to you. I'll bring it to you guys.
Yeah, once again, this Glorious Ahombrase Kitchen. We proceeded all the way to downtown Toronto in Canada, and these are the places that we're showing you. We have the Rogers Center where they play games, like they play baseball right over there. Canada and the US is like a sister country, so whatever we do in the US, they do the same thing right over here. And this is the tower that you can see. The tower is like the ground zero, the one observatory unit. You see the elevator moves faster from the bottom floor all the way to the top floor. It's a very interesting place. People are enjoying, people are walking around. You know, that's all life is about. You know, in life, there's only one life to live. And our Brazil Kitchen is here. Just want to make sure hey, washada momo, washadam kasan
Cameraman.
Washadam kasan here is the crowd. Eh, on Brazil Kitchen, form no sudi, engineering pepe. Say cameraman, we try camera, and I would didn't come on. Yeah. We are see they say we show more nam na obi ni aje. Once in a while you have to take a time out. And you have to walk around, see the environment, you know, look at the Spider-Man and also and also Hano the aquarium, Canada's aquarium. You can see it over there. Wow, we need fish near the idea, you know. Next time we are about our Brazil Kitchen, but Jackie Bruta pa nya grokra. Why so excited, so happy? Maybe sometimes why so excited and so happy. Also, I have something to give to my subscribers, my viewers. You know, don't forget to always share her video. She's doing her utmost best just to make sure everybody enjoy life. At least you can watch the video, and that will also make you happy. Though you've not been to Canada before, But the mere fact of watching her videos on YouTube, it gives you the ability also, you know, to smile. You know, like I'm saying, we are seeing the Nkasia South Look at some of their buildings. Almost, you know, they also, Canada also have tall buildings. Like when it comes to New York, you know, New York, we have the tallest building in New York. But when it comes to Canada also as well, they also have some nice tall buildings, and they are still developing. I think real estate, I mean, is a game. It's an unchangeable game now. Rogers Center. Yes, once again, I'm Brazil.
Okay, stay tuned.
This way?
I want to. Fish. Okay. That's good. Fish in the evening. Fishies? Where the interior? The shell is so beautiful. And nice. It's true.
That's an old looking one.
Or a fish. Hey, are you sure that you were sleeping? No. Mom was sleeping. Yes.